Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with a Purpose. In this video I'm going to show you how to implement local notifications in a SwiftUI app. So let's get started. So what I have done up till now is basically I have added a notification handler class. I have extended this class with UN user notification center delegate, which is necessary to handle the notifications in your own way. Then I've added three of the options as you can see in the request authorization function with .alert, .sound and .match. .alert is basically to add actions to your notification, which I'm going to show you in a few moments. .sound is to play a sound. If you want to play a specific sound, you can configure that also. And .badge is basically a number that you are going to show it to the user to basically display the number of unread notifications. And then we are going to handle some of the errors, and if permission is granted we are going to move forward. And then I'm going to write another function, send interactive notifications. So here I added the function send interactive notifications with arguments title, body, and ID. So title and body is basically whatever you want to display inside the message, and ID is for internal usage. If you want to create a new notification, you have to pass a different ID. After that, I have created a UN mutable notification content object and passed the title and body to it. Then we are creating two of the actions, snooze and dismiss. We have provided them titles and identifiers. Then a category is created and a trigger and a request is created. For trigger, you have seen that I have set the time interval to 5, which is basically 5 seconds, and repeat is false. You cannot set repeat until you set the value time interval greater than 60, which is basically you can repeat after 1 minute. So we just want to display a notifications only once, so we have set it to false, and then we have passed all these values to UN notification request. We have added that request object into UN user notification center.current, so for that notification to get processed. So you have seen that I have added another delegate to my notification handler class with the name UI application delegate. This is basically the delegate that in the previous versions of Swift you have seen that there was an app delegate file which is removed in the SwiftUI. So if you want to call any of the functions related to that app delegate file, you need to basically override it in the way that I'm going to show you here. So I've called here the app delegate function, which is basically did finish launching with options 1. So I have set the UN user notification delegate to itself. I have called the request authorization function and the send interactive notification function with the relevant values. So you have seen that I've already written this function user notification center, and I'm going to here add the checks to check the action identifier that is clicked. If it snooze, we are going to send an interactive notification with a different title and body, and if you want to send a new notification, you are going to change here the ID, and if you want to send basically override the previous notification, you are going to send the same ID. And after that, dismiss, I've just written the code here, but we do not need anything to do in the dismiss section. But if you want, there are multiple actions and you want to do certain things, you are going to add all the checks here. So here I've added another very important line. I haven't set the category identifier of the content object, so I have set it here with the name workouts. And after that, you have seen that I'm going to play the app. It is going to show me one notification, and after clicking snooze, it is going to show me the other notification that I've configured inside the user notification center function. One thing that I'm going to mention here, that basically notifications will not appear once the app is in foreground, so you have to basically stop playing the app and then the notification will appear. And as you have seen that the icon received is basically nil because we haven't sent the app icon. So you can see that I have here added the app icon inside the assets file, and this is the same one that I'm using in basically the thumbnail of my YouTube video. So this is now going to be shown inside the notification when I'm going to play it. So guys, the long awaited Apple feature is here, where it is going to take only one thumbnail and it is going to create it for different sizes of the apps. But if you are going to support the previous versions of iOS, you need to configure it for all the versions, but from this version onwards we are going to set only one image. And as you have seen that I am going to click here from the drop down all sizes, and you are able to see the previous look of the Xcode, where you can set it for the different sizes depending upon the model and version. So this is all. As you have seen that previously I've run the app, the icon is appearing inside the notification, but the app icon is not changed, it is the default one. So you have to basically uninstall and reinstall the app to take its effect, and it is then going to be visible as an app icon. So this is all for this video. So guys, this is all for this video. I hope you have enjoyed implementing local notifications into your SwiftUI app along with this video. Please like and share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Have a happy weekend. Take good care of yourself. Bye bye.